my name is Simone. I'm at Abbey Wood Club campsite and these are my top tips for starting a van conversion. Number 1, design. This can be very overwhelming because there are thousands of options you could choose to design a van. Most people I know who've started a van conversion have made changes to their design halfway through. What I would do is start collating Instagram reels, TikTok videos, YouTube videos, Pinterest boards, all in one folder, and this will help you decide what kind of van layout you're really after. And when you have this, you can use software like VanSpace to make a 3D model of your van in real life. Number 2, write yourself a list of essentials that you think you'll need in your van. Asking yourself the following questions will help you make further decisions, like how long do you think you want to be off-grid for? This will make a difference on how many batteries you'll need, if you'll need solar panels on the roof, how much storage do you think you need, and where do you think that will go? That will help you make a decision on the size of the vehicle you need, because can you get away with less storage? And do you need a fixed bed, or can you get away with a pull-out bed? Number 3, budget. The budget of a van conversion can range massively. Just like a house, you could have all of the mod cons, or maybe you could do without some of the luxuries. A van conversion of this size could start anywhere between £5,000 to £10,000 plus, not including the cost of the vehicle. Once you've decided on a budget that you want to stick to, go back to your list of essentials and see if there are any essentials that you could maybe live without, maybe they're luxuries. For example, how often are you going to use your van? Are you only going to use it for weekends or short breaks away? Therefore, do you need a shower inside? Could you get away with showering at a campsite? Then you might not need a long wheelbase, maybe you could have a much smaller vehicle. How about an oven? How much are you going to cook? Could you get away with a portable hob or maybe a barbecue? This is going to save a lot of money on electrics if you don't need an oven to power. Number 4, rent the size of the vehicle that you would like to convert. I think this is such an important point because you will not know really if you like a layout until you actually experience it. There are so many camper van companies throughout the UK and Europe now where you can hire a van just like this one, just for the week or for a long weekend. It's also going to help you determine if you actually like van life. It isn't for everyone. I think it's an incredible way to experience the world. You can visit anywhere at the drop of a hat. You can see such incredible places, but it isn't the most luxurious life sometimes. What it does offer you though is freedom. And those are my top tips for planning a camper van conversion. In the next video, we're going to get to the really exciting stuff, which is what to look for when buying a vehicle. So make sure you subscribe to the Caravan and Motorhome Club YouTube channel and like this video so you don't miss the next one.